Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So this is Priyanshi Agrawal, your host and host. So yes, this is day 9 of our Becoming the Best of Yourself session. So today our topic will be love yourself. See, you need to understand that to put your efforts into, you are preparing for anything, you are going through a mass breakout or whatever, you have to love yourself first. You want to see the world through your eyes, you should put your thoughts in front of anyone, you should feel that you can do this thing and do that thing. So basically the point is that you need to understand that what are your requirements, what the things you would like to do, and how the work you want to be done in front of you. So understand this important point is that you have to know about yourself. You should love yourself to love anyone in this universe. Like if you mother, father, love, siblings, cousins, relatives, family, it comes after. When you learn yourself, now it comes after all that things. So you need to understand that you should respect yourself, you should learn yourself, and you should understand the fact that what are your requirements, what are the point you want to learn, what are the things you want to understand in life, what are your goals, how the things you want to be done in your life, what are your goals, and anything that you like. So yes, this is my point, and today we will be discussing more about being compassionate. Like I think personally, I have a short story. Like in the very starting, when I was in 11th, after 10th, of course we have to be given a choice of subjects we want to pursue our career into. So I have been given science, commerce and arts in my school at my school time. Of course these are the only subjects we have been given. So these are science, commerce and arts. I was very furious to take, and very fascinated about the biology. I want to learn biology, I want to study it, I want to research it, I want to do everything about biology. But the point is that we have been given 3 subjects together for science, like for biology, chemistry and physics. I hate chemistry, I hate physics, I don't like calculations, I literally hate maths. So my first priority is the biology, but I have to study the chemistry and physics also together in the 11th and 12th, so I skip that. I leave my interest, I leave my thoughts, and I feel that I won't be able to complete physics and chemistry in 11th, 12th because they are at a very high level, and I feel at that time I feel that I don't have brains to complete that. But okay, I literally dropped this idea of taking science in 11th class and took commerce instead, because some of it's been a relative thing. There's some of them told me that commerce is a way better and easy thing, you will get your job easily and whatever things. So I took in commerce after, and of course I don't want to study commerce, but I still choose it because I thought it will be easy and I will do it, and there will be only theories and all from only 11th 12th level. So I have taken the commerce. I have studied accounts, BST and some business studies and economics, and of course I've studied it for only 1 month. After that I get fed up. I don't want to study it anymore. I feel like the way I can put myself, the way I can build myself as a nice person or in the front, and to fight with the outside world, I need to take the science. Like it's my interest subject. I don't know how I will deal with the chemistry and physics, but I still dropped the commerce after taking it for 1 month and studied for literally 1.5 months. I've studied everything, like from very basic things I've studied, and then I have switched it. I have taken the science instead, and I'm telling you, this is the best decision of my life to take science instead of commerce. Yes, it was of course a waste of time, waste of money, and everyone was telling you this thing and then telling you like you should not be taking science, you are not good enough for science, you are that, you are like easy. Do not feel that. You need to love yourself, you need to understand yourself. I understand at that point of time that I have to study science. I don't like commerce, I don't study commerce, I won't be taking commerce at all, I will be studying science. So yes, in 11th 12th I was a class topper. In 12th there was board in RBSE, so no topper, but I got a very nice percentage of marks. So I'm very happy to take that science decision at that point of my life. So it is very important to make decision, to love yourself, to understand your requirements, like what are the points, what are the things that you like. Like you should not be regretting after taking. Like I was regretting, I was literally in depression, like a student who just came out of this 10th, 9th phase, 9th class, and you are just telling him or her to take commerce instead of science because you are not good enough to take complete or cope up with the science. This is a very actually bad thing that I had gone through. So yes, I'm telling you this thing. You need to understand what points you feel like you like the things, what the things you don't like. So you need to understand this thing. If you don't know what the things you like or what the things you don't like, you do experiment, you do learn. You need to understand that when you will search now on YouTube or Wikipedia or wherever you like, whether you want to follow some of the counselors, career counselors, you can follow them, no issue. But you need to understand that there should be a one point common in between the counseling and you, that is that the counselor is not forcing you to take this subject or that subject. So yes, this is only for the story. I'm just telling you that you need to understand that you have to love yourself, you have to understand yourself, you need to be compassionate for the point, for the topics, for the subjects you want to study. So yes, that's all for today. I hope you get my message. I hope you would like and comment this video also. And yes, that's all for today. This is the day 9 of loving yourself. I hope you guys will love my video, and I hope you guys will definitely support me throughout my journey. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. And yes, that's all for today. Bye bye.